This is a video explaining the customized features to a 2016 Scion IM hatchback. Initially in the car I had a engine cold air setup, which came off the manifold and went this way, down into the fender well. As you can see, I've replaced it with the DC Sport. Because the DC Sport has a coupler here, one down inside the fender well, way down in there, it actually bolts to the inner frame of the car. It does have a little issue with the fog light down in there. The top of the fog light hits the filter, but you can finagle it, it will work. It just takes some time to get used to that setup to put it in. The engine setup actually broke off here where it mounts. The DC Sport, better quality mount, a two-piece hose design, like I said, way better than the engine setup. But I mean, the engine setup lasted 3 years. Can't complain. There's my jet mass airflow sensor. Little improvement there too with the miles per gallon once you install this. Is it worth it? Is it worth it? Yes, it's worth it. Just do it. You tint your glass, you put rims on your car, etc. You want to get performance, then get the performance the right way. Do the cold air setup and the jet mass airflow sensor. Enough said. Back here, we got the strut brace hooked up. It goes all the way across. The TRD $1 million gas cap, oil cap, sorry. And then back here, the quantum solenoids, which is a separate video into itself, which I'll be doing later. And then, down here, you can't even see it. The crank pulley, yes, way down there, the blue anodized crank pulley from NST that fits the 1.8 motor is an underdrive pulley, weighs less, frees up horsepower. Think of it that way. And then I'm using HSP silicone hoses throughout the whole engine compartment. And these nifty little fasteners was an Amazon purchase. The HSP hoses, very nice quality. You can get them in black. I got them in blue. But a whole kit on Amazon, 100 and some bucks. Well worth it. Dresses it up, other than black hoses. And then you go down front here, and they did the dual horn setup. It's a little sunny out today. Just made a bracket to fit, just like the factory bracket, over here to fit the dual horns and spliced them into the factory wiring. So no big issues there. And then I also have the DC Sport header on the motor. But of course, in this crazy car, you can see it. It's there. It wasn't that hard to install the header. I had it about 3 months now. Pretty good. No real issues with it. Big difference in performance in the 1.8 motor setup. I did not do a full exhaust, but I am in the process of doing so. But yeah, the DC Sport header really made a difference. It really opened up the mid-range torque in this car. Everything has a point, and in my eyes. And go to headlightrevolution.com if you want some killer LED fanned headlights for your IM that bolt into the factory housings. You can't see it, but they're in there. They're not cheap, but a real great set of headlights. I cannot remember the specifics right now, but good company to get all your LED needs from. Great company. No issues there. So that's our little tour today. I might make another one. I'll have to see how this one goes. But hey, enjoy what you guys drive and have a great weekend and get out there and enjoy this weather, because you know what's coming. Fall. That's all I'm going to say. And I'll do another video of other items on the car at a later date. All right, take care, everyone. Good talking to you guys as always, and girls. Take care. Have a good weekend.